9:50 and I'm going to do the groceries. 10:40, I am back from the groceries. Nearly midday, it's lunch. 12:20, more video editing. Thai tea drink. 1 p.m. guitar. For 18, and I am going out to do some street photography with just my Lumix S5 in the streets of Rennes. I wanted to do some night photography, and winter is great for that because the sun is setting early. It's saying that the sun should be setting at 5 p.m. and 14 minutes. (6:32, 33), and I am back home. I hope that you enjoyed the photos, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.